Alright, so I just got a few jalapenos here. Probably only going to use 2. I think that'll be enough. That we're going to put inside of these pork tenderloins. Alright. Very important to get these seeds out of here, otherwise it's going to be really hot. Just use a spoon. Scrape it out. Just like that. Alright, I'm gonna do these other ones and I'll catch you back here in a second. Okay, so now we're just gonna prep our pork tenderloin. This is just a Tyson Foods tenderloin. You don't really have to worry about cutting any fat off of it unless any of it's super hard or anything like that. But I just take it just like this and make one slit straight down the middle. So it starts to fillet open. Just like that. Okay? Then you want to start going on the sides and just start filleting it open more and more and more. There's no wrong or right to how many slits you make. As long as you get it pretty flat. And it's okay if you cut through, you're gonna roll it up anyways. Alright. So now we're gonna take saran wrap, we're gonna put it over here, we're gonna beat it to it really, really flat. So I got my saran wrap over here, I'm just gonna beat it. Trying to flatten it out as much as you can. So although cheese is going to be the main ingredients here, I got Meat Church Barbecue Honey Hog Hot. That's what I'm going to season the inside of this loin with. I'm going to season it pretty heavily, but just because that's the way I like it. You season it however you want to, with whatever you want to. Alright, we're going to let that sit, kind of get into the meat a little bit, then we're going to flip it over and do the other side. So now the inside's kind of got all of it adhered to it. We're going to flip it over. And on the outside, it just got Honey Hog Barbecue. Same thing. Gonna apply it pretty liberally. And we're gonna let that sit there. So I've got the tenderloin all wrapped up in the bacon. If y'all want to see a bacon wrapping video, let me know in the comments. We're just waiting on the fire. So just to go back over the steps with y'all. First, we had our tenderloin. We filleted it open, flattened it out with a meat tenderizer. Then we come back and we lay our cheeses down, whatever cheese you want to. Our sautéed jalapeños went in there, rolled it up, rolled it in bacon, and it's all sitting there. Now, we're cruising right along, aren't we, girl? So we've been on for, about 45 minutes to an hour. I cook pretty high with the pork tenderloin. You can do it low and slow if you want to, but hey, dinner time's coming up and we need it on our kitchen table pretty quick. So we're waiting until we hit 165 internal. We're sitting at about 133 right now. So it's just continuing getting a smoke bath right now. Let's take a look. Nice. Let's get it pulled off and we'll see you inside. Alright, so we've let this thing rest. Let's cut into it, see what it looks like on the inside. I think that's going to be just fine. See what this tastes like.
Good?
That's pretty good.